Hello! Today we are going to learn how to roll a ball. Rolling a ball can be used in bowling, in soccer if you're the soccer goalie, or in today's case, bocce ball. When you roll a ball, you are rolling a ball for accuracy, trying to roll the ball as close as you can to your target. When we roll a ball, put the ball in your dominant hand, usually the one that you write with. Use opposition and step with your opposite foot forward. Face your target, swing your dominant arm back, shift your weight forward, bend your knees, roll the ball, release it on the ground, and follow through. Now we are going to go play a game of bocce so you guys can see what it looks like. Now we are going to start the game. Britt is on the green team. I am on the blue team. Britt is going to try to roll her green ball closest to the target.